This is gorgeous. Look at these curls. Oh my God. Hey YouTube, this is Dee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a very exciting wig review. I'm excited because the color is just phenomenal, okay? Now, this is a very popular wig on YouTube and I've seen all races, sizes, shapes of women review this unit. And they all look really good. So I was like, you know what? Let me take a go at it, okay? So this wig is made by a company called, now, drum roll please, because I'm gonna try to pronounce this, okay? It is called, I think, Xiweiya, okay? I'm not too sure, but if I messed that up, please forgive me and put it phonetically in the comment section, okay? Now, this unit, the color is beautiful. Okay, I did wear it, so I cut the lace already, but let me go over this with you. This will be my second time putting it on. So it has a moderate amount of parting space. Let me just show you. It has two combs in the side. It has one in the front, I think I saw, yeah, one in the front. Now it doesn't have a comb in the back, however it does have adjustable straps, okay? So that'll help you out there to kind of secure it a little better. All right, and I think that it's about 20, maybe 24 inches long. When I did put it on, I mean, this is just in its curly state, maybe it may be like 26 maybe if it was straightened. It is heat resistant. I don't want to even straighten this, so I'm not even going to try it. These curls, this body wave, you can't get this back. And maybe I'll get a straight purple one day, but this one is just gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at these curls. Oh my God. I mean, this is beautiful. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. But this is not a wig that's gonna scream at you, you know? This is not a Barney purple wig. And it kind of looks like it has like ash gray highlights. No, I don't know. It's like it has high and low lights. It's gorgeous. And this is really thick, and look at the way it's laying. Now I haven't glued it down or sprayed it down, but I am going to do so in a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm only going to do the sides, and I'm going to show you what I did to kind of make it blend in with my hairline kind of better. Okay, because with these units the lace is pretty much, let me get my comb, the lace is pretty much very light. Okay, so you can see it's light, and it's way lighter than my complexion. So you see the parting space. So with this parting space, a lot of people, I think they get afraid because they're saying, you know, how am I supposed to put powder on this? Because it won't look right when you put powder on it, because it'll just destroy the lace pretty much, I feel. So what I do is I just use a technique that allows, it's not high tech. I'm saying like it's technique, but it's not really high tech. It's just basic stuff. pros and cons of this unit, okay? So, number one, let's start out with the pros. This unit has a very, very beautiful color. This unit does shed, okay? So I've been pulling at the unit and this is kind of like what I've gotten, okay? Now to some people, this could be a lot. Some people, it's not really a big deal. Another con would be that it is definitely a tangler. Now this reminds me of another unit that I have. I actually have a review on it. It's my granny unit. Feels kind of like that. Not as heavy, but it feels like that as far as when it comes down to brushing it. I could see myself going out date night with this wig. Now if you notice, one of the things that I've done with this is that aside to doing my baby hairs, I put a little of my black eyeshadow on it. And what is that? Oh, that's just like a baby hair. Okay, I put a little black eyeshadow on it, and it actually gives it like a more of a ombre look. Not really ombre, it just looks like you have dark roots. So one of the things I didn't do yet was I didn't put any powder on it. So let's put some powder on it.